Hey there, get ready to relax with the KingCamp Low Beach Chairs 2-pack, designed for ultimate comfort and portability. These chairs feature an ergonomic sling design that supports your back and an 8.6-inch low seat to stretch out fully. Weighing only 6.6 pounds, they fold compactly with a built-in strap for easy transport to the beach or campsite. The extra-wide 23.2-inch seat and heavy-duty steel frame hold up to 300 pounds for lasting durability. Enjoy practical features like a cup holder, padded armrests, anti-slip feet, and a convenient carry bag. The mesh back keeps you cool by allowing air to flow freely on hot days. Perfect for outdoor adventures, these chairs make lounging comfortable wherever you go. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.